Hey, and welcome to the Flying Shapes tutorial. In this episode I'm going to show you how to import existing 3D objects or 2D graphics into the software. 3D objects can be used as packages to model around. That can be STL or STEP or IGES files depending on your license. And the graphics can be PNGs, JPEGs, so you can either use them as mood boards, or if you have a sketch already that you want to import and you want to copy the edges, the curves, then you can also do this. I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. So I have my window open, I have loaded a file, demo1, and I have my step file here at hand and a PNG file, which I can simply drag and drop into the application. So here I can set a scale factor. I'll set this to 10 because it's actually a toy. So let me change this and click import, and then you see, okay, it's already there. You see this ball and the line indicating where to look at, and you see, okay, it's been imported. It's now in my 3D scene. This is just, like I said, a package to start modeling from, and the same goes with the image file. I can just simply drag and drop it onto the scene as well. And you see, okay, well, they collide, but now it's just simply in that scene. And when I put on my headset, I can simply arrange it however I like. So I can hover it and move it to wherever I need it. So this is how simple it is to import existing geometry and existing graphics into Flying Shapes. I hope it helps you with your projects, and stay tuned for the next episode.